you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory. All makes, all models, foreign and domestic. 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. We are the premier salvage and repairable vehicle dealership of the Northeast, perhaps in the United States. We post daily update videos of new incoming inventory. We try to do as many as possible to inform our clients of the conditions of the vehicles that we purchase and resell to the public. No dealer license is required to purchase vehicles from us. We can resell these vehicles to the public. Right now you're looking at a 2021 GMC Sierra Duramax diesel. This is a 3.0 liter diesel motor. This is the engine compartment. Has damage to the left 3/4 nose. You need left 3/4 sheet metal nose, left 3/4 inner structure. The nose has been swayed over from left to right. We'll show that in a moment. Need the radiator and condenser as well. The cooling for it, the intercoolers for the diesel motor. It's a turbo diesel. Left fender, left headlight. Hood, front bumper assembly, grille, radiator support. We were not able to start this vehicle because the computer is mounted right here in the front and the computer is broken. You can see it right there. Frame rail on this side is damaged. Front frame horns are swayed over. See it on this side as well. Need a right fender also, right headlight. Nice white color, chrome wheels. Got a little action on the bed over here, it's repairable. SLE model with tow package. Nice bed cover. Rear power sliding glass. Does not have the parking sensors. 4x4. Nice running boards. Interior is in good shape. Curtain airbags are intact. Seat airbags are intact. Navigation, power seats. Need the passenger airbag. Need the driver's airbag as well. We'll post this one on the website very soon. Give us a call if you're interested. Thanks for watching.